today's video is all about this app called Bamboo, and Bamboo is a Nigerian app that you could use to buy foreign stock. On the website, they say you can buy hundreds of Nigerian and US stock. Like, you can buy and sell hundreds of Nigerian and US stock. But to be honest, since downloading this app, all that is available right now on the app are just US stock and ETFs, equity traded funds or index, on their platform. For the Nigerian stock, they are saying coming soon on the app, but on the website it doesn't say that, and it just gives me like, okay, what is happening here? I'm not sure, guys. This is risky. The website itself doesn't really have that much information on it, to be honest, apart from a little blip that talks about security, which says we keep your money safe, obviously, protected by the Nigerian and US SEC. Accounts are held by a partner, the firm duly registered by the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission, and our US brokerage partners is a member of the United States SIPC, which insures each user's account up to $500,000 and etc. And it just goes on to give a disclaimer about terms and privacy, contact information, and social media contact. For the app, you can get the app on Play Store, on Google, and on the Apple Play Store too, and just check it out. I have gone a step further to download this app and test it out. To be honest, I funded the account myself, and I haven't done any trade yet for a reason or two, but nonetheless, I'm going to tell you how this app works. So the first thing you have to do is download the app. You can get it on your Play Store, like I said, and just give them the necessary information that is required. The only thing here that might be a little bit of okay is when they request for your BVN number, and they also explain why they needed your BVN number, and they also mentioned that you're not going to give anybody access to your BVN number and they're not going to do anything with it. So that is the only thing that was like, or could be like a no for a lot of people, especially like the older generations. When it comes to giving out BVN number, they might not want to use this app, to be honest, because this is Nigeria and our policies are just whack. Anyway, after all that said and done, I got into the app itself. Now the app is quite simple to understand, but when it comes to buying and selling of the stocks or the shares itself, it's a little bit confusing. So now you have your home page. Now for here, you could see my balance there, which is $30 that I topped up the account with, but I'm not going to trade this money. Highest I would do is withdraw it back to my account. I'll explain the reason later on. So now you have future themes, where you have all stocks, most popular stock. You have technology, finance, health, transportation, food, rail, entertainment, manufacturing, ETFs. You have future stock. So this is said to be like most popular stocks on the platform that people are buying, or just stocks that they think you should be interested in, right? I'm not sure, it's not clear. Choice of the month, so this is the most popular stock of the month right now. Then invest in Nigerian stocks, you can see coming soon, and many others. Then recent news, this just has a compilation of news around the world concerning certain companies and all that. Then you have your watch lists. I have two bonds and index. I have two indexed on my watch list. Then this future is quite amazing, to be honest, because it just explains a lot and it's much more easier for people to understand and know what to do. Just a quick stats guide, how to fund your Bamboo wallet, how do I buy stock, how do I sell stock. You also have little tidbits on the stock market itself. How much should I invest in stock, what is the stock exchange, what are stock prices, etc. You also have your profile. Then you have a help button here, and that's all about the app. Now if you want to buy stock, like for example, let's say Apple, you just click on Apple, or you can search You can search with it using the search bar at the home menu. Then you click the buy button here. You can buy now, you can buy when prices decrease, you can buy when prices increase. So buy now, you just have to go ahead and say, okay, I want to buy $10 worth of this, right? And it goes. But the problem I have with the app is, if you want to buy now, let's say you want to buy when the prices decrease, what price would you wish to buy when it decreases? Let's say we're expecting the Apple to drop to 250. You go to next. You cannot buy 0.2 of that. You have to buy either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like whole figures. You can't buy in decimal. If that's like my point. Let's try something else. So if you want to buy, let's say 2.5, you can't do 2.5. You can only do 25, 205, and all that. Now, Bamboo was founded by Yamo Omorabe, who serves as the company's director for growth, and Richmond Bassi, who also serves as CEO. Bassi describes Bamboo as being on a mission to even out the playing field for access to global investment opportunities for everyday Nigerians. He continues, we believe everyday Nigerians that want to grow their personal wealth long term and take part in the global market should have an investment platform they can trust enough to do so, which is great for people looking for this kind of avenue to invest. And I think that this is a new field tech companies are branching into, and we can't wait to see what they do with it, right? And yeah, so yes guys, that's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next one.